Hey everyone, it's Miranda. Welcome back to my channel where I talk all things budget, beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If that sounds interesting to you, then become the newest member of the Slashed Squad by hitting subscribe and the bell icon. Today's Slashed Squad member shout out goes to Cheska. Cheska, I love seeing you pop up in my comments. You can be featured in my next video by subscribing and following me on Instagram. As you may know, I live in Las Vegas where it gets hella hot in the summer. Reliably triple-digit weather and usually about 110. So today I'm gonna share with you how I get ready for a hot AF day in terms of my makeup routine. Gonna go through all of my go-to sweat-proof products from the drugstore, so if you wanna know what makeup won't melt off your face, just keep watching. Some of you know that I do not wear face primer before foundation, but I do moisturize my face. So currently I'm using the Cetaphil Daily Facial Moisturizer. It's SPF 50, so I'll get a little sun protection in here as well. So my current go-to for shine-free, long-lasting foundation is the Covergirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Foundation. I really like the finish on this foundation because it does dry down to a comfortable matte finish that does not look dry. It lasts all day on me and it does give me a really good amount of coverage. And my summer shade is light neutral. As you can see, it did add some color to my face, but it's actually making my face match my neck and chest better. You still have a little bit of radiance with this foundation. It's definitely closer to a true skin finish while still combating oil and shine. For brows that can withstand the sweat, I turn to the Physicians Formula Brow Last Brow Gel. This is a very pigmented brow gel, so you can get a sculpted look or you can just go for a more natural look, but the color stays in place and it really holds your brows in place as well. So this part of my routine takes the longest when it comes to sweat-proof makeup, but I'm totally okay with that for brows that actually stay in place because the brows kind of get the brunt of it when you're sweating, you know? Gonna quickly prime my eye with the $1 AOA Perfect Eyeshadow Primer. On hot days, unless we're doing something special, you're probably not gonna find me in a full-on glam eye look. I've been doing a lot of one-shade shadow looks when I'm just out and about on a hot day, especially after picking up a couple of the ColourPop Super Shock shadows during my last Ultra run. This shade is Set to Stun, which is a deeper rose gold color, and it adds dimension to the eye in just one swipe. So I just pack the color onto my finger and then pat it onto my lid. I love that this shade is dimensional enough, so even though you only used one color all over your eye with your finger, it looks like you really put more effort into it. I've been using the Neutrogena Smokey Kohl liner, which is a water-resistant liner that really sets and stays in place both on the lash line and the waterline. So first I'm gonna tightline my upper waterline. Then I'm gonna apply it to the outer corner of my lash line, both on the top and bottom lash line. Then I'm gonna blend it out to be a little bit smoky, and I'm using an angled liner brush from Practk, which is the affordable Sigma line. Smudgy eyeliner is always the way to go on a sweaty day because in the event that it does smudge a little bit, it's not gonna be obvious at all. This product definitely stays in place through sweat, but if you wipe at your eye or something, there's always a possibility of picking up a little product. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. And can you please ignore the wounds on my fingers? I fell down 2 weeks ago. I literally scraped off my knuckles. It was not pretty. I've been wearing band-aids in videos to cover it, but I just kind of forgot today and I need to let them dry out, so sorry. I'm using the Revlon So Fierce mascara. Now this is not waterproof or water resistant, but it is smudge proof. And I've actually worn this working out a couple times by accident, like I just forgot to take my makeup off. This didn't get messy at all, so I do trust it on a hot day. I really like using cream contour in the summer if I am gonna be hot. I just feel like it meshes with my skin better and it fades throughout the day better than powder does when faced with excessive sweating. So I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Makeup Stick. So I just swipe it where I want my contour to be. And then I blend it out with a flat top Kabuki brush. This is the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. Same goes for blush. I'm using the new NYX Bear With Me Hydrating Cheek Tint. This is in the shade Creative Cleanse. And because we did use a matte foundation, this will just add a little bit more bounce back into the cheeks. And to add a little bit of glow to the face, I'm highlighting with the Physicians Formula Butter Highlighter. This is in the shade Pearl. And again, this is just something that I apply with my fingers. That's how I feel like you get the most glow and strobe out of it. And for my lips, I'm using the new Revlon Ultra HD Vinyl Lip Polish in Birthday Suit. You can check out my swatches of all the shades in this collection. I will link the video below. I'm gonna go ahead and set my makeup with the Rimmel Stay Matte Fix and Go. You can actually use this as a primer underneath your makeup as well. I just use it as a setting spray. And this is the finished sweat-proof look that will stay in place on a hot day. Since I'm getting ready to go out, I'm gonna spritz on the perfume I'm currently testing from today's sponsor, Scentbox. It's a monthly perfume subscription service that sends a 30-day supply of a designer fragrance of your choice straight to your door. I've been testing Amo Ferragamo, which is a really nice, sweet, but slightly bitter floral fragrance that I'm really liking for summer. Now, usually when I'm going out on a hot day, I will also bring with me the Physicians Formula Translucent Pressed Powder, the one that has SPF 30. It's a really great way to re-up on your sun protection because, as we all know, SPF does not last all day. Tell me what your favorite sweat-proof makeup is in the comments below, and then join me over here in my last lip swatch video. I'll see you over there. Bye!